Hey everyone, Winnie here. As you may know from my previous video, I love off-grid camping. Despite owning a 2000-watt power station, I often find myself wanting more power. Although I carry a 400-watt portable solar panels with me, there are times that I don't have the right condition to use it. While a battery expansion pack would be ideal, factory options like the Ecoflow Delta 2 Max are just too expensive for my budget, costing around $1,000. Fortunately, lithium iron phosphate battery prices have dropped quite a bit in the last 10 years, making it possible to get a reliable battery for under $300. This allows me to significantly increase my power station's runtime at a fraction of the cost of a factory expansion pack. If you are interested in upgrading your power station, keep watching. There are many ways to boost the power of your power station. Some need special skill or buying additional equipment to work. I found an easy and economical way to boost your power station runtime without spending a lot of money. While you could use a 12-volt lead-acid battery, lithium iron phosphate batteries are a better choice due to their longer lifespan, lighter weight, and improved safety. Vatrer Power sent me one of their lithium iron phosphate battery for testing and review. I'm going to use it to demonstrate how easy it is to boost your power station at a minimum cost. You don't need any special skill or tool for this upgrade. For this upgrade, you need the following items. First, you need a working battery. It can be 12.8 volt or higher, depending on your power station's solar input requirement. But most power stations will accept 12.8 volt. You can use any size you want to match your needs. For example, this Vatrer 100 mAh battery will give you 1280 watt-hour energy. The second item you need is an XT60I to O-ring terminal cable. Please note that this cable only works on power stations that has the XT60 or XT60I male port for solar charging input. Other brands such as Jackery might use Anderson connector or other plug for their solar input. Connecting the battery to the power station is very simple. First, you just connect the O-ring cable to the terminals of the battery, black to negative terminal and red to positive terminal. Make sure it is tight. Then connect the XT60I female connector end to your power station's solar input port. The following is how I use it in my camper van. To simulate real-world situation, a 12-volt fridge is connected to the power station and is drawing roughly 40 to 50 watts from the power station. The power station is showing 60% remaining power. Here is some information about this Vatrer 100 mAh lithium iron phosphate battery. This battery offers several features typically found in higher-end models. Priced at $259.99, it's a mid-range option. Constructed with upgraded EV-grade A cells, it offers over 5,000 cycles at 100% depth of discharge. It can handle maximum load of 1280 watts. The free app provides real-time information on battery usage and health, making it easy to monitor and maintain. For those who camp in cold climates, the smart self-heating function is a valuable feature. The integrated 90-watt heating pad ensures optimal performance in extreme weather. The built-in 100 amp advanced BMS safeguards the battery from overheating, over-discharging, overcurrent, and short circuits. The auto cell balancing function is useful when connecting multiple batteries together. Okay, let me show you what happens when this fully charged battery is connected to the power station. First, connect the O-ring cable to the battery, red cable to positive terminal and black cable to negative terminal, and hand tight. Then plug the XT60I end to the solar input port of the power station. At the beginning of the charging, the power station has 60% remaining power and the fridge is pulling 50 watts from the power station. Once it was connected to the external battery, it is receiving over 200 watts. As you can see, the power station is receiving power from the external battery while running the fridge. 5 hours later, the power station is fully charged and the external battery still has 33% power remaining. So I believe this is the most simple way to boost the power of your existing power station with a limited budget. At this point, you may ask, how to recharge the external battery? Well, there are several ways to charge the external battery. First method is to use a lithium phosphate charger to charge the external battery. The one I use in this video is from Vatrer as well. It is a 20 amp charger, which is perfect for this 100 mAh battery. You can get a battery charger for under $30, but a 10 amp charger will cut the charging speed in half. For just a few bucks more, it is better to get the 20 amp charger in the long run for your money. Second method is to use solar panels through the MPPT controller if you have one. I will not go into detail for this method since people who already have solar panels set up will know how to charge their battery. The third method is to use an inverter to charge the external battery, but the inverter needs a built-in AC to DC charging function. Out of the three charging methods, I only recommend the first one since it is the most easy and economical for most people. There you have it. If you know a cheaper way to boost the power station, please comment below. Who is this battery for? This battery is ideal for those who want to upgrade their power station capacity without breaking the bank. For those who are interested in this battery, I have provided product links and a discount code in the video description. If you have any questions or want to see more tests, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.